to go live and save, I'll probably end up doing it like right now. You need a 5-gallon bucket. You just buy like one of those buckets, and instead of saving in the bottle, yes, I would. What's that? This is a laundry mix. Yeah, I'm gonna rinse the sponges. Okay, I wanna see hands up. Who was here? I wanna see people raising their hands. Who was here? Me. Kim? Me. Peanut, me. Esme, yes, Roxy is here. Girl, they are excited you are here because I said that you wanted a combo. Yay! I swear to God, Cindy is missing out. I feel bad. Is Cindy in here? I was here, but I fell asleep. Aw, thank you for being here. Did I make you sleep? I'm happy I made you sleep. I get so happy when people tell me, oh, you made me go to sleep. It says at the end. Favorita. Te la voy a aplicar. Do a couple more and then we can move. Sí, adentro, afuera. I sent her the live. I sent her a few things. It's for I'm gonna drop it. I want to show you your combo first. Hold on. Let me put this one down and then I can show you. Oh. My CA is on the screen if anybody wants to send. How much in powder? I need to count how many bags I have. I'll tell you right now. So all my bags are $3, okay? But let me count how many I have. Thank you, Roxy, for your beautiful combo. I hope you like it. I'm doing this for Cindy and then I'm gonna move to the sink. This is a laundry paste for laundry. So everything that I mixed is going back in the bottle. And when I do laundry, I put it inside my washer and I wash my clothes. Bro, this paste is so perfect. And it smells so amazing. Powder. And it smells like lemon. It smells like citrus lemon. Baby! Robbie! Invitaciones. Y toca decir adiós antes de conocerte. Okay, 1 second. Let me. Dang, this.